Thank you. Alright, going to the airport.
Going to Antique now.
Yeah, we're going to the province.
Kaya muna ito, masuk ng jacket. Saan ko ilagay?
We're here at the airport.
Ito walang nalaglag na dyan.
Wow, look at that. Thank you, ba.
Ano?
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat sa plano mo.
Wow,
Para ka dyan.
okay.
Yung ganun tayo kamay mo.
They can't run me over. So we're here in Terminal 2. We're staying outside because we're waiting for my brother before we go in.
I just wore my jacket because I don't want to bit.
It is currently 6:18 in the morning right now. Hi! Ooh. Ah, cute. Ah, do you still remember Tita? Oh, I'm gonna hold you later.
Your brother is stressed now.
Yeah. Here? Oh, group check-in. Cool. It's actually not too bad, no? I was expecting the line to be like really bad, but like it's actually not too bad right here. Nice. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Buddy. Hi. Oh. Hello. Hello. Fair and blessed. Fair and blessed. Oh, bless.
You gotta check that in.
Tita, miss you so much. Wait. Bless, Farron. He doesn't want to do it for the camera. But you did it like 2 seconds ago. Bless. Yeah, buddy. Oh, kiss, 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 kiss. Oh. Turns out we need to wear a mask in the airport. We didn't know we still have to wear a mask in here. No? Good thing Dadang had extra masks, because or else, ooh, that would have been bad. Anyways, ours is gate 16. Holy crap, there's so much people, bro. Ang daming tao. There's like no seats.
Maraming tao eh.
It is. There's like no seats at all. Huh? 16. 16. Ito. Thankfully, I don't know how we did it, but we were able to get seats together. So now we just gotta wait for our flight. That'll probably be like another hour.
To Kalibo, no?
Yeah.
Supposed to be our flight is 8:45, right?
Oh yeah, our flight's 8:45. Right now it's 7:16. We're gonna be heading to Kalibo in Panay Island.
Yes.
Going back home to the village. Excited, Mom?
Yeah.
We haven't been back home for like
almost 4 years
4 years.
because
Almost
of the
4 years.
pandemic.
Yeah. There's so many people. Oh my gosh. Look. It's like completely packed. It's a miracle how we even got seats together. That was really quick. We're like landing already. Mama, we're back after how many years?
Almost 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah. Still good.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, it's fast. Oh, cute.
Yes.
Bless.
Bless. Bata.
Hello.
Bless the bante.
Bless lang.
Ah, lolo.
Bless kamay.
Oh. Oh.
Hello. Kamusta ba kayo?
Oh,
May nakuha na kayong ano? Papa. Bakit? Pati mo nakuha na makuha kita.
You wanna say hi to the vlog? Alright guys, this is my grandpa. Yeah. Look at the little cane. Lolo made that for sure. Nice. Alright guys, so every time we come back home, before we go back to the village, we go to this grocery store, well it's a mall, and we just buy a ton of stuff because like our house, the village is so far from any major town or city, anything. So we have to stock up on food and supplies, all that stuff, and put it in the car. Oh, it's already started na.
Tanda na.
Finally home after how many years?
Traffic. Traffic ka rin. Grabe ka na.
Was that the new dogs?
Yes. Ito ang stove.
Oh?
Yung nandito, yung namatay yung nanay na dito.
Oh.
Tapos nakalabas sa doon. Magi, nandito tayo rin, ma.
Oh, may puppy pa?
Oo, kulay
Oh.
black. Dito, oh.
Oh!
Buti hindi ka,
What's the name of this one?
Hindi ka
Sino?
tinatahol. Hindi ka pula. Nangaway.
Ah, what's the name of this one?
Ha?
Anong?
Kubi.
Kobe. Ah, Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Hello, la 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 la. Hello, la la. Hello. Hello. Hi, baby.
There's
Hello, la la. Nice to meet you. Hello, la la. Hey.
si Kubi, ito yun. May ganyan, managin lahis, may may. Marit, meron. Kaya na managin nas, may may. Huwag na naglahay.
Oh.
Kuya, bakit gumagana yung mata niya?
Boy.
Oh, he needs eye drop or something. This is Brenda's hedgehog, right?
May mga yan.
Oh, cute. Hello.
Pero walang puti na
Napatay ba na?
Guys, this is the family home. Awesome. Tatayo na siya. Everyone's just camera shy. Yeah, just give them a couple days. They'll get used to it. Like, wow, you're finally home. Ah, it's been a while. Everyone be shy. Bye. I need to see my cat. I haven't seen my cat in like so long. Oh, sorry, lost. Oh wow, that's a big dog.
Alam mga gata.
Time to see my cat. I gotta find my cat. Oh, Charlotte's not here. Charlotte, upstairs? Oh, okay.
Ay, kita mo mo din. Ano yung
Hindi.
message ka? Kita mo mo
Maybe
din.
upstairs. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hindi taturun.
Everyone's camera shy. Yeah.
Hindi taturun, Charlotte! Sa babaw to.
Oh, maybe upstairs. Oh, hi my cat. Charlotte. I wonder if she'll still remember me or not. Charlotte.
Mojo. Dito ma.
Charlotte. I don't think she'll remember my voice anyways.
She's big lang.
Oh, really?
Yes.
She's not skinny.
No.
Oh.
Ma! 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 Ma, dito na si Charlotte, ma.
My cat's hiding from me. My cat, Charlotte.
Taba niya.
Yeah, she probably does not remember me though. Charlotte. Charlotte. Hi. Hi, kitty. It's been a while. Hi. Oh, thank you. Is it adobong pusit? Wow, nice. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Wow.
Don't tell me.
Huh?
Doon na may star apple
Where?
sa taas.
What's that?
Star apple.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. There's a lot of coconut too. Wow. Cool. Nice quiet life in the village.
6 na ako malis dito may tapos 5 na ako muuwi ng hapon.
Eh?
May klase ba?
Oh, well, oh, okay.